Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and today I have a really great small library for React, and this is a color picker. Now I know how many times you have been wondering like how to make or implement a color picker into your website, but today I have found one. Like I have seen this one some of the other projects is using it, and they are using it flawlessly. Like there's no issue into that project, so that's why I am recommending this to you. And this looks great, to be honest, that's why as well. Okay, so without further ado, let's just share it. Okay, and we will see some of its codes as well. Okay, so let's just get started. So here is our color picker. Okay, and it's really a powerful color picker, to be honest, first of all. But uh for out of the box use, it's really simple, as you can see it over here, and they have made this home page really reactive, so you can try it out here as well. And here is the npm package. Okay, and some of the like major yeah of it, like the features of it. So first of all, it's really small, like 2.8 kb zip. That's seriously small. And they have mentioned this here also, like 13x light and that react color. So yeah, that's true. It's tree shakeable, so that's also a great feature. Fast, bulletproof, like everyone says that. But the most important thing about it is it is simple. And that's what I really like about it. It's simple, and it looks so simple. And if you go to the code, yeah, see, this is just what you have to do in order to set it up. And seriously, that's it. And here are some of the examples of it. Here is the rgba version of it. Okay, and here is the responsiveness that they have shown over here. Like if you want to make it responsive, custom size, custom layout as well, you can do that. Okay, it's a really great thing. And there we have input, because obviously who don't need input, right? So suppose I'm giving it if or 0 0 0 0 0 0 display. So yeah, you can give the inputs as well. And here is the you can set it to colors, set it to name, color name, particular color name, html color names, set it to choosing ha- hex code of colors, and as well as rgba. So those three modes are available over here. Rather than that, you can use it as a swatch, so that is also available. Okay, and yeah, you can like choose the names. Obviously we have seen that over here. And now you can use it as like a color picker in your obviously website, because obviously at the end of the day you're gonna use it like this, huh? And you're gonna obviously customize it on you, like however you like to. Maybe you can prepare something like this and put it inside this. So as you can see, all of the features of being a color picker is available over here. Now, to be honest, what I have seen so far is if you use multiple React packages rather than using a massive library like Mantin, okay, what happens is you get everything, okay, like every single thing of its best kind. Because yeah, I have used things from Mantin as well, and when I was using it, I constantly was thinking about like if I could choose something else, if I could use another maybe plugin, or another maybe library from somewhere else. So I really think when you are creating something, using more packages, yeah, using more packages will obviously increase the bundle size. But somehow you are getting the best of its kind when you are choosing it. But whatever, that was basically it about this whole website that I wanted to see, wanted to showcase to you. And can, oh, you notice one thing? Notice this favicon icon, it's also changing color according to the color that we see it in the website. See, it's also changing color. Like, suppose make it black, see, black, red, not red, pink, white, see, it's also changing color. So yeah, great, great implementation over there as well, that I almost didn't notice. So, and it's obviously a open source project. Every other npm project is almost a open source project. So yeah, contribute to it for its further betterment, because that is obviously something we would need, right? So that's it for this video. Let me know if you're gonna use it or not somewhere in your application. Recently I am working on an application, like I haven't started yet, but I am going to work on an application that definitely need this plugin. So that's why I'm searching for it. I was searching for it, now I got it, like now I obviously gonna use it for sure, right? So that's it for this video. Let me know if you can find some really great plugins or libraries like this anywhere else. I would like to see them, use them in my projects, and obviously feature them in my future videos as well. And if you like this video or like my all of my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, share with your friends, help me to boost up to the YouTube algorithm. And 55 videos remaining, right? So bye.